Hey guys, it's Crystxliite. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a GFX using ROBLOX Studio and Blender 2.9. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is open ROBLOX Studio and press baseplate. Once you're at the base plate, you are going to want to make sure your toolbox is open, and then you're going to want to get the load character plugin if you don't have it already. You can do this by where it says models. You click it and you press plugins and type in load character. Click the free one. If you're done with that, press plugins at the top and press your load character plugin and load in the character you want to use. I will be using my avatar. Next, you're going to want to find a remodel. I have remodels in my inventory that you can use, but in this video, I'm going to be using one of Melanique's remodels. Once you have found a remodel you like, you will want to rotate your avatar around so that you don't have to in Blender. Then you will export the remodel and the avatar like shown. Before I export my avatar, I am going to be changing my face and making it the pink galaxy gaze. You can also get any props you'd like. Over here, I'm exporting my avatar in the remodel by right-clicking on what I'm exporting and pressing Export Selection. You can save it wherever. The next thing you're going to want to do is go into Blender and open up your rig. You do not have to save the base plate. Once you have your rig opened, you are going to want to delete the head, the eyes, and the mouth. Once you do that, you're going to want to select the torso, go into Shader Editor, and then you're going to want to go to Textures and press the File button and import your avatar's texture. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to import your avatar. You can do this by pressing File, Import, wait for OBJ, and then importing your avatar. Make sure in geometry it's split by group and not split by object. Once your avatar is imported, you are going to delete the body and group together the head and accessories. Then you want to click Origin and set the origin as Origin to Geometry. This will make it easier to move the grouped parts. Once your avatar and rig are like this, you're going to want to go to File, Import, wait for OBJ, and import your root model. Take a little while to load in, but once it does, you can resize it if you'd like, and then you are going to want to pose your avatar as shown and put it into the remodel. There are various ways to pose your avatar. If you'd like a slowed down tutorial, you can do that in video settings. If not, feel free to watch me pose on the speed this clip is at. Once you are done posing your avatar, you are going to select part of the rig and the head to select your whole avatar. Then you can use the Move tool to move your avatar anywhere you'd like on the axis into the room model. If you don't like how your avatar is posed in the room model, you can always change part of the position of your avatar to make it look better. Once you're ready, press Shift A on your keyboard, press Camera. Then you want to press View and press Camera and move your camera to where the avatar is. You can move any blocking objects. Over the TV icon is you're going to want to change the render engine to Eevee. Then in the printer icon you are going to want to change resolution to 2000 by 2000. This will give the camera a square shape. Pose it wherever you want, just so that it's getting the avatar in it. Then you are going to want to insert lighting and change the viewport mode to rendered. This will not be rendered, but it will show what it looks like when it is rendered. This is an easier way to rotate the sun and put the lighting wherever you want. I usually change the strength to 4 and then rotate it. As you can see here, my area in the camera is getting lighter. You can turn off shadows if you'd like by unchecking the checkbox next to shadow. Once you're ready to render, at the top press Render and press Render Image. Then you're going to want to press Image, Save As, and name the image and save it wherever. If your render engine is Cycles, you're going to want to make sure you change your file format. I usually transfer my JPEG from my laptop to my phone by using Discord. The apps I use to edit were Polar and Lightroom for the filter, and Ibis Paint for the watermark and any extra touches I wanted to add.